This video tutorial will walk you through the process of linking Sage Vantage to your Blackboard course and setting up Grade Sync. In this tutorial, we will do multiple links within a chapter in the student resource area of your Blackboard course. First, you will need to create your Vantage course in vantage.sagepub.com. So here's the Vantage course that I have created just a minute ago. And now you also need to know what Blackboard environment you are in. So you may either be in the original course view or the Ultra course view. So you'll know that by the black navigation bar here to the left in Blackboard is the original course view, and the Ultra course view is all in white, and then you'd put your content area, you'd add to your content area by clicking on the plus sign here, and then you would find your content market to get to the LTI tool. This tutorial will be done in the original view in resource area by clicking there. So I've already downloaded a course pack which puts in the chapter folders for me already. So if I click on chapter 1, I'm going to go ahead and see that I have learning objectives and flashcards. So now I want to build my Vantage links, and I do that by going to the build content area and then scrolling down and looking for my LTI tool, which is going to say Sage Vantage LTI 1.3. You won't have this many. I do because, we have different staging areas. So we have production and demonstration and things like that, and different companies, different divisions. So I'm going to click on Sage Vantage, my LTI tool. And once we do that, you may have to select the book that you want if you have multiple courses. If not, so what we're going to do, since I'm going to do it per chapter, is let's go to all chapters, the pull down menu here. I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to select chapter 1. And now if I scroll down, I'm going to do a reading link. And I do that, I like to start at the very first page of the chapter, and that is by clicking on Introduction. These are just different pages in the book. This is a chapter divider. This is the very first page to the chapter, and this is section 1.1. So these are just different pages. I like the very first page of the chapter. So I select that. And then anything in gray here, these are all activities that I could have for a grade and that I want a grade sync. So I'm going to do a video activity, and I'm going to do both a link and a grade sync at the same time. And then I'm going to do self-assessment, because this is a business book, and then chapter test. And the reason why it's grayed out here is in a previous video, I selected this. So I also like to leave this here so that if you see a grayed out area like that for grade sync and you can't check the grade sync box, that means you've already grade sync that item. So what we do is we're going to hit continue. And now this is our confirmation page. So we're going to have 4 links and then 2 grade syncs. If we had previously not put the grade sync in, we would have 3 here. So I'm going to hit continue because that's exactly what I want. It says that we are successful. So we go back into the content area, and in the black navigation, we're going to select this little circle here to refresh. And now we have all of our links. I like to go in here to the first link where the chapter reading is and let the students know that that's a chapter reading. So I do that by clicking on the little arrow here and go to edit. And now I will put instead of introduction, I'll probably put introduction and then leave that there and do chapter 1 reading link. And then I also like to have it open in a new window, so I will select that, yes, and that little button. And what that'll do is it'll open in a new window, and then the students will have a better reading experience. We just go down and hit submit, a little pull down and go to edit, and then go in here and open it in a new window for the rest of them. So you just have to come in here and click on yes for opening a new window and then hit submit. And you would do that for all your links. So now if we go and click on the video activity one, it's going to take us to that page in the book. So here's my video activity, and you see that. I can click here to start. Here's a transcript. And then if I want to exit out of it, I'll exit out and then go straight into the textbook. Let's go back to the content area, and I'm going to show you, we're going to go into the reading link. And this is the very first page to the chapter. If we scroll down, you'll see a poll and then go to the next section. Again, that takes you to the very first page of the chapter. So now if we go back into the content area and then we go to the grade center and we're going to click on full grade center, we will now see everything that we grade sync. So we have all our chapter tests. And then if we scroll down, here are all the chapter 1 activities. So video activity and then the self-assessment and the chapter test is in the front. Thank you so much for your time. This concludes the video tutorial on putting several links and several grade syncs per chapter. Thank you so much.